Common University Entrance Test Cuet held at Nehu on the 15th of May 2024 resulted in chaos as students were made to queue until 8 p.m. with some fainting. Subsequently, on the 16th of May 2024, the Hynniewtrep Youth Council Education Cell submitted a memorandum to Education Minister Rakkam A. Sangma. Addressing reporters today, Banpen Biang Riang, the Assistant Education Secretary of the HYC, alleged that the confusion stemmed from negligence on the part of the Registrar and the management of the Northeastern Hill University, Shillong. According to Riang, the question papers were provided at around 4 p.m. instead of the scheduled time of 3 p.m. The HYC Education Secretary emphasized that the organization has requested the state government to appoint a nodal officer and form a special committee to oversee future test administrations. Additionally, the HYC urged upon the state government to take action against the registrar for neglecting duties related to the Common University Entrance Test.
Exam ka ba ka management team jong kanihu kala feel ban penbiang ikhna bat bun ikhna menen kila asyam jinjar ba ni tang kapor ba ban rungu ni ka entrance kala ikhamnya ba nang ta don si ikhna aru kibla pang te nak kalian ka choice ni yo jingtip ba kidon kita ki jinja nak kalian ka choice menen ni lai marmar ban pet ke ka baja ko nihu tengilap shisha ba ikhna kila asyam jinge shisha haka jingle bom suknyo jong ka management team jong kanihu tengila iyo ban kan khindiat ru bat registrar bodi ban pek ya hapor ngi dang ya kren ule kum bom suknyo ya ni ki khot jong ka choice bat ru om dang kata ka ban su batai mo ka exam ka sedang lai beje tengi ya poi ngi yo nya kren bat sau beje le sau sneng ni lap ba haka tu ko por udang penbiang ni jingkuli ke exam ka ban sedang lai beje registrar bat team ko jong udang penbiang ngi jingkli sau beje leni sau steng dia company ba ka management team nen jong kanihu kala feel ban penya ya ka suiti namanta ki khna dia anak kalian ka choice ngimla ban susong manman khem das ngap namar ki khna lawan ut chengi bat ru ngila yo ban phone ya education minister menen yang banyak kenduk mentah dia namar ba udan meeting ni yo suban kenduk na su submit ya kani ka memorandum na kalian ka choice dia kani ka memorandum ni la tho ba audai ban form ka committee ban pek ya ka bajam nin hanehu ban shim strict action ya ka management team ya ka jingle bam sinyo ko jongki halor ka exam ka bamnen nang taru ngila tho hakani ka city ba ka government ka state government ka dei ban appoint the nodal officer ba kin khamsuk ikhna nodal officer uban ya dei bat ka NTA ba ki khna kin khamsuk namar bahan ni phenlap umdan NTA center ikhna ki shem jinge ba bun ikhna kila phone nei kila phone changa ki khmi ki pa kila phone chingi ki nongelam jong ka seng kila batai ba hak menen ki bun ikhna ki bami tho ki exam te mentang ina submit HT ba ila ong ba ka state government ka di ban shimkhia halor ki khna menen ki badu tho exam bat om tang kata ka jingnong thumur jong ka NTA kala pinbitar ringi ke choice ba hadu ba dan ki khna kila opted ya ki subject ki baper ma na example no kum ki opted likely biki di bentho andre ba kapau ha ka admit card kapau kan kawe na baru ki di bini otho ba ka state government ka di ban shimkhia namar pinpet ma ba kumenen bangi ni ya phone ya education minister umtip namar ba kani baru kani ka city ka David ba ka pet hi na Delhi University usai kiti tengi ni bikin jinjar khna daliler ngimtre ngimsha na kalian ka choice te na kalian ka choice ngin bud din ba baro khna ki ba apia kin ka city kin yo kala bikin tho but nang taru kimdei ban bandu ya ka admission ki college namar ba bon ba ki khna menen ki du ban tho ya ka city te tengim tip ke college kan priang ne without city tengila ai ke jing tho so education minister ba udai ban pha shman ki college ba ki khna ki badu ban pho ya city ki dei ban priang namar ka dei ke jingle man hi ka dei ke jingle bam sunyo hi jong government den ka da ko saja ko ne